Caleb. Hi, buddy. You are too cute. I know. First haircut. Okay, so it's just, long and unruly.
Right.
So just kind of want to clean it.
My nephew's before his got cut.
Yeah, clean it up. I mean, it's long. It's coming down, in front of his eyes and everything, but not too short. Still want to leave it look like he's got a full head of hair.
Right.
So
we're taking it off the ears.
yeah.
Are you wanting to layer it up, or do you just...
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Yeah.
So what that is...
They're just cutting them out.
What do you think? Okay, do you need in here? Good boy, you're being so good.
Same color as my nephew has.
Yeah.
Even though my sister, she got just one thing. And I was like, what? She goes, I still want it long so I can do this.
Yeah, it's really cute like that. Huh, good boy.
The thing when you cut it though, it's just gonna have like really short spots and really long spots.
Oh, wet. There. Good boy. He's being so good. Remember my daughter's first haircut, she cried the whole time. But she still does, and she's 8.
Take these out so I won't hurt you and you'll start crying.
Good boy, Caleb.
I know, quit pulling on my hair, lady.
Good boy. You're being so good. Yes, you are. I feel like he's tipping over under there. What are you doing? Can you sit up? Just leaning, I guess. Oops. Good boy. Caleb, so good. I kind of like having the side part where he did. You know what I mean? Like on the side going that way. Just, He's okay. He's okay. Good boy. Being so good. Being so good. Good boy.
It's kind of difficult. He keeps
I know.
taking everything
Oh
out.
my goodness. You're being good. Yes, you are. He's tired too. I might get rid of this cold.
I'm so much better than my nephew ever thought about doing.
I'm surprised he is.
Trying to get the stranger to go out here if I have my
Yeah, he has. Good boy, Caleb.
Yeah, this is gonna be the hard part.
I know. Being so good.
Yeah, you did a good job. Alright. If I take that tip right there out, it'll be 4 inches left.
Okay.
And that's what's uneven throughout.
That's just what's uneven. Okay. Why don't you do that and like we'll see where it lays. I just don't want it to be in his eyes at all.
Doing such a good
He
job.
is. What a good boy. Oh, it's tickling him. It got stuck in his pacifier. I hear tickling your nose. You're such a little man, Caleb. He definitely needed this. It looks a lot better. We were debating doing it. It's only 9 months old, but it's growing like crazy. 10 tomorrow. Yeah.
I'm not going to cut too much off the sides.
Look at you. That looks good. It's the hair's getting in his nose. You see? It's tickling him.
There you go.
You have that here. I'm sorry. I had to get it out of your nose. Good. Yes, a good boy.
Looks a lot better.
Doesn't it? I didn't even want to attempt it because, yeah, never cut a boy's hair. I'm sure it would have been disastrous. You're so good. Too bad you're not old enough to go get ice cream.
Wait until you do that.
I know. So good. Alright, he's definitely like scooching under there, sliding. Sit him up. Oh, wait. There we go.
There you go.
Much better. See the penguins? Yes.
Good job.
Oh, what was that?
Good boy.
Slide me in, sweetie?
Yeah, he's sliding. You're almost done being so good. Being so good. Yes, you are. Huh? You look so handsome.
You just rolled a little. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold this out.
He's so funny. Good boy. She got rid of a lot of those dark ends, the newborn hair, you know. So he looks so blonde now.
Dr. Bangs.
Oh my goodness.
You may like hold them or something.
See what we got here. Like, you want to change
Over
positions or...
Here we go. Good boy. Good boy. He's being so good. Gosh. Just held perfectly still. So good. Mama's so proud. Love it. Are you done? Hi. He's all done. He's got the hair in his eyes.
I mean, there's probably strands of hair down there, but... Yeah. I should put primer on first.
Good boy. Okay.
Yeah.